Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to charge shipping charges for every weight increase in WooCommerce WordPress. For example, you can charge $5 for every 1 kg increase or 5 kg increase. So it's up to you. So you can charge $10 every 5 kg increase. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page, and then you see total order weight 10 kg, and then you see shipping, free shipping. So we are going to apply weight based shipping on every weight increase. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write weight based shipping for WooCommerce. So this is plugin weight based shipping for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce, and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are going to use progressive method, and then click on shipping tab, so click on it. So we are in shipping tab, and then you see shipping zone, so click on edit. So we are in shipping zone, and then you see free shipping, so we are going to delete it. Okay, and then we are going to add shipping method new, and then you see add shipping method button, so click on it. Now you see weight based shipping. So after installing plugin you will see this option, so click on it and then click on continue, and then click on edit. So we are in weight based shipping, so we are going to delete it first, and then you see add first rule button, so click on it. Now you see title, destination, product, weight, value of shipping. So we are going to add title, so you can add title according to your requirement. So we added title charge every $5 for 1 kg. So you can charge $5 for every 5 kg or 10 kg. So you can charge $10 for every 10 or 20 kg. So it's up to you. Now you see destination any. We select all, and then you see product all. Now you see weight. Now select. Now you see from up to excluding. So we don't need to add any value here. And then you see value. Now you see any. So we don't add any value here. Now you see this is for price. Now you see free shipping. So click on it. And then you see progressive. Now you see $1.50 every 0.5 kg. Now select. So we are going to charge $5 for every 1 kg. So you can set rule according to your requirement. So you can charge $10 for every 5 kg, $20 for every 25 kg. So it's up to you. And then click on OK, and then click on save. So we added this rule. Now save, done. Go to cart page. Now you see free shipping. Refresh the page. Now you see charge every $5 for 1 kg. So we have total order weight 10 kg. So it's mean 5 into 10 is equal to $50 we charge. Now you see. So you can set rule according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.